Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Ecash coin, XEC coin. What's going on in a Ecash? What's the price changes occur in a Ecash in the last 24 hours? Guys, in this video, I will going to share with all of you the latest update of Ecash, guys. So keep watching this video complete. And before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. First of all, guys, you can see here Ecash rank on 38 in a crypto market, guys. So the rank of Ecash is very good. I recommend for you due to the rank because it is a top 50 cryptocurrencies Ecash in a right now situation. Anyways, guys, furthermore, if you talk about the changes occur in the Ecash, negative 3% the price dumps, the price decrease just in last 24 hours. Furthermore, guys, other side, if you talk about last 24 hours, right now price of Ecash in the market 0.000223 USD dollar. That is right now price of Ecash in the market, guys. Let's study more about the price statistic of Ecash. What's going on in the price statistic? Oh my god, here's a good news for all XEC Ecash holders. You can see here trading volume of Ecash are going to increase in the last 24 hours, guys. You can see here the changes of Ecash is going negative, but a lot of people are again investing in a Ecash because it is in the top 50 cryptocurrencies in the market, guys. Positive 13.95% changes occur in the last 24 hours trading volume, guys. Every change is going positive in the Ecash except of the price, guys. So very soon, guys, higher possibilities that Ecash price also pump. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos. And guys, you can see here you can easily exchange Ecash in a Binance Mandala exchange. And furthermore, you can see here you can easily see here. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.